Okay, this time let us answer this. Okay, let us identify the value of n. The value of n, si n po ay nasa labas. Anong tawag doon? Exterior angle. Okay. So we can use the two methods how to find the exact measure of angle n. First, by getting the remote interior, pwede rin. Just add the two remote interior to find the measure of angle n. Or, pwede rin si adjacent angle. So, sige, try to solve. What do you think is the measure of angle n? Okay, anyone? Sige, Conchada, what is your answer? Paano anak makuha si 105? Okay, just, pwedeng add. Add the two remote interior. Ano yung remote interior ni n? 30 and 75. O just add 30 plus 75. Therefore, the answer is 105. Or pwede rin, second way is by subtracting this from 180. So, 180 minus 75. Kasi po sila ay adjacent angle, linear pair. They are supplementary. Next. Find the measure of x. This is x. Ito, dito yun anak. Nasa exterior pa rin. Sige, tambawan. 156. Very good. Anong ginamit? Mas madali? Si remote interior. Just get the remote interior, then get the sum. 103 plus 53. Therefore, the answer is 156 degree. Huwag kakalimutan lagyan ng degree. Bakit po? Kasi angle na po ang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, next. Another example. Get the measure of angle x here. Exterior pa rin siya. Malabanan. 129 degree. Nakukuha na po. Another example. Now, what if given naman tayo anak ng exterior, nawawala yung isa niyang remote interior. What we're going to do? Very good. Just subtract. What number? 146 minus. Very good. To get the value of x. And what is the answer? Conchada? 69 degree. So, do you understand po how to get? Now, what if the given triangle is like this? The measure is meron na tayong variable. So, what we're going to do? How to find the value of x. So, first step, anak, we need to analyze the given. Based on the given, we're going to find the exact value of x. Okay, ito po yung hinahanap natin, value ni x. So, what we're going to do, we need to analyze the given measurement. So, what can you say about the measure of angle U, angle V, and angle UTV? So, this is the exterior angle. And then, itong dalawa, anong tawag sa kanya? Remote interior angle. Again, what can you say about the measure of the exterior angle? Equal kanino to anak? Remote interior or the sum of its remote interior. So, to find the value of x, we're going to form an equation. Okay, ulitin ko. Ano po yung dalawang remote interior natin? 60 degree plus 7x plus 10. Plus 5, sorry, equal to saan anak? By 20x. So, magpo-form ka ng equation. After that, what we're going to do? We're going to combine the like terms. So, what are the like terms? 7x and 20x. Move what number? Going to the right. What will be the sign? Okay, magiging negative na. So, 60 degree plus 5 degree is equal to 20x minus 7x. Then, simplify. Okay. 60 plus 5. 65. 20 minus 7. 13. X. Then divide both side by 13. What is the value of x? 5. Okay. The value of x is 5. Now, what if, ang hinihingi, what is the exact measurement of the given angle? Just substitute the value of x here. Okay. This will become, check natin if the value of x is correct. So, 60 degree plus 7 times 5 plus 5 is equal to 20 times 5. Then, simplify. 7 times 5, 35 plus 60, 95 plus 5, 100 is equal to 20 times 5. They are equal. Therefore, the value of x is correct. Now, the question is, what is the exact measure of angle V? Lagay mo lang dito anak si 5. 7 times 5? 35 plus 5. Therefore, the exact measure of angle B is 40 degree. And what is the exact measure of the exterior angle? 100 degree.